My name is Jared Brown. I was actually hired to be production. Wound up moving over to the maintenance side of things. So day to day, we have a series of checklists that we go through on a daily basis. Another part of my role is also sourcing and finding replacement parts for all of our mini components. We've had great experiences with you guys on different sections of equipment in our facility. And when we looked at upgrading, we knew that the first place we wanted to look was with a partner that we'd already been involved with, already had a really good experience with, and a great working relationship with. I would say the number one goal in automation is to decrease the possibility of human error, have a little bit more control of your processes. Specifically, if you can have an inline check weigher, every single bag that goes across that line does get verified that it is the correct weight. You don't have bags going out heavy or light. From a regulatory standpoint, that is a very important consideration. The increased automation has absolutely helped our throughput, our control, and given us a little bit better quality control of the product itself, and made it a lot more feasible for one single person to run both the pellet mill as well as the bagging line. Every single piece of the previous bagging system had to be physically changed by the operator. There was no central unit or central control that made everything work together. If one section of the line stopped or was incorrectly set up, it caused problems both upstream and downstream from that point. With the new system, it's a seamless transition from one section to the other. You don't have nearly as many points where an operator can make an error, can make an issue, or the equipment makes an error. If any piece of the Magnum line stops, it communicates both upstream and downstream that there's an issue and needs to shut the line down. We were very limited on the amount of space available. We knew we had a specific footprint we had to work within the confines of, and I feel like Magnum did a great job of getting the most equipment possible into the limited space we had while still being workable. I think our biggest benefit from Magnum has been really twofold: an increased reliability in the equipment and also a more accurate, consistent product for our customers. Every person I've talked to with Magnum has been very friendly, very willing to jump in and help solve problems, help fix any issues or resolve any problems that we had. I don't see any reason that we wouldn't continue to work with Magnum in the future. We've had great experiences with everything to this point and look forward to working together again.